XGIMI MoGo 4 Laser. Portable Brilliance Unleashed. Triple laser technology. Delivers vivid visuals with enhanced brightness, richer whites, deeper blacks, and exceptional color clarity. 550 ISO lumens, 110% BT, 20/20 color gamut, and a 1000.1 native contrast ratio bring immersive imagery to any setting. Elegant, compact design. Small as a coffee thermos. Truly a party in the palm of your hand. Premium build quality with a sophisticated finish ensures durability and aesthetic appeal. Built-in battery for on-the-go use. 71 Wh battery powers up to 2.5 hours of video playback, echo mode, or 6 hours of music playback. Optional power base. Stand nearly doubles playtime to 5 hours. Adaptive multi-angle viewing. Built-in 360 Swede rotatable stand enables projection onto floors, walls, or ceilings from any angle. ISA technology automatically adjusts keystone and focus for perfectly aligned images. Smart streaming with rich vibe features. Google TV built-in, with licensed Netflix, Prime Video, and more. No external device needed. 4 magnetic creative filters. Sunset included. Dreamscape, Lunar, Ripple. Add ambient mood-setting lighting. Functions as a Bluetooth speaker, syncing ambient light to audio beats for immersive experiences. Crystal clear visual specs. Resolution. 1080p DLP, 1921,000 oinot. Throw ratio. DeFi 1.2.1, supporting projection sizes from 40 up to 200. Inputs. Full-size HDMI, USB-A, and USB-C for power data. Expert insights and reviews. Tom's Guide, June 12, 2025. One of the best truly portable projectors you can buy today. Impressive image quality for the size. Noted the $7,999 price tag, but acknowledged the laser and filter advantages. LifeWire highlights its size, purse-sized, and feature-rich design. Google TV, speakers, filters, battery, as an ideal summer companion without needing a TV. LifeWire review of laser model. Strong contender for compact home theater, praised for brightness, sound, and smart features, though 1080p resolution and sensitive focus were minor drawbacks. The Strategist, NY Mag, ranks standard MoGo 4 highly as a compact option, especially for its auto adjustments and portability, even as brightness lags behind brighter models. New York Magazine. Ideal use scenarios. Outdoor movie nights with family or friends, battery-powered and screen-ready. Travel-friendly entertainment, great for lightweight setups and spontaneous viewing. Ambience-rich indoor spaces, underbars, parties, cozy home corners with creative lighting. Anywhere versatility. Wire-free setup, streaming-ready. Auto-adjusting visuals.